The number and range of ETFs available to South African investors have increased dramatically in recent years and now cover all asset classes. International trends clearly show the rise in the use of ETFs in efficient portfolio construction strategies. One of the most popular techniques is known as the core satellite approach. Despite the term sounding like something from outer space, the principle is quite down to earth and practical. It is a portfolio construction methodology that allows for focused exposure to desired or required assets that ensure the required benchmark or liabilities are met. This is the core, and it can easily be constructed by one or more ETFs. The core is supplemented by specific investments in satellites that offer exposure to assets that are quite different from those in the core. The satellites can take many different forms. It can be other ETFs, actively managed portfolios, or even single asset investments. The two most important considerations for the different components of a core satellite strategy are transparency and low correlations, both between the core and the satellites, as well as between the different satellites. The two primary motivations for the implementation of core satellites are to reduce costs and to increase diversification. The core satellite approach can be used in many different ways and applied in different types of portfolios. We can illustrate the two primary benefits of core satellite with the following two examples. The traditional approach is the equity-only application. Our aim here would be to access cheap beta, where beta is a broad market ETF such as our own Better Beta equally weighted top 40 ETF. The satellites are used for the active exposure and could be allocated to strong alpha managers with an aggressive tracking error allowance that focus on value, momentum, or small cap stocks. The decision on how much to put in the core depends on the risk tolerance of the fund, but could be anything from 50 to 80%. The diversification benefits of the core satellite methodology are best illustrated in a balanced fund example. In this example, the core is still a broad market domestic equity ETF, but the satellites in this context represent other asset classes which can also be invested into ETFs for maximum cost saving and efficiency.